Hello, this is Marisela Montelongo. I am from the University of Texas at El Paso. On this video, I will describe the Sierra de Juarez. This is also part of a class presentation to describe 1.1 billion year geological history of El Paso Juarez region. We will see where it is, its location, when it happened, and how it happened. So let's start with its location. Sierra de Juarez can be found in the northwest side of Ciudad Juarez, Chihuahua, and southwest of El Paso, Texas. This is an image taken from Google Earth to show you where exactly Sierra de Juarez is located. So where exactly are these mountains? These mountains are located in Ciudad Juarez, Chihuahua, Mexico. Here are some pictures of the city. This message is a unique feature we can see in Sierra de Juarez. This message means the Bible is the truth. Read it. Sierra de Juarez offers awesome outdoor activities. This place is called Chapachanga. It offers several activities like climbing, zipline, rappel, paintball, and archery. And this is the website if you want to take a look. So it all started with the Proterozoic era, 600 to 500 million years ago. Then to the Paleozoic, 540 to 245 million years ago. Then to the Mesozoic, 245 to 65 million years ago. And finally to the Cenozoic, 65 million years ago to today. In the Proterozoic era, red bluff granite was formed. These granitic rocks developed from magmas, which formed about 1.1 billion years ago by magmatisms. Some of the granitic magma we just talked about reached the Earth's surface and formed volcanic eruptions. This formation is called the Thunderbird Group. So what happened in the Paleozoic era? In the Paleozoic era, a large 500 million year period of igneous rock erosion took place. Igneous rocks are formed by solidified magma or lava. Then the sea level started to rise, flooding El Paso and Juarez region. We were also very close to the sea level for 255 million years. When sea level started to decrease, a large amount of marine and sea sediments were left behind. Now let's move on to the Mesozoic era. After the Paleozoic era, in the Mesozoic, the southwest side of America started to uplift. Towards the end of the Mesozoic era, in the Cretaceous period, sedimentary rocks were deposited in a region. Also, we were so close to what we know now as the Gulf of Mexico, which was also called the Chihuahuan Embayment. So what happened in the Cenozoic era? Towards the end of the Mesozoic and at the beginning of the Cenozoic era, El Paso and Juarez region started to rise about 65 million years ago. During the Cenozoic era, a strong compression strength developed towards the southwest, creating huge masses of limestone. Then, those were pushed from the southwest to the northeast. And then boom, it created the Sierra de Juarez. The Sierra de Juarez is composed mainly by sedimentary rocks, which are formed by marine sediments. The irregularities that we see in the Sierra de Juarez are due to tectonic processes, similar to compression movements, during the Paleocene period, 55 and 65 million years ago. Recumbent faults are a unique feature. As we already mentioned, these mountains were formed by large limestone masses moving from the southwest towards the northeast. This compression movement created a folding effect, forming the features we see on this picture. We can also find fossils. We find gastropods, devonian corals, Toccasia, Turnella, Equinoid, and ammonites. Well, that will be all from me. Thank you very much for watching.
Free created using Powtoon.